Hello, and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around, let's have some fun, and as always, keep creating. Let's pour. So if you haven't noticed, because I know I have been struggling a bit in the studio lately. It's a combination of things. I have a lot of ideas, probably too many in my head, and I'm getting jammed up. And I've been, preparing a lot for a lot of shows. So after yet another failed attempt here, I just didn't like it. It was something I had in mind, but I don't have a clear vision. So I just pulled all the paint back into the middle and decided to do like a palette cleansing piece. I am so I grabbed my Amsterdam Pearl paints, threw down some Amsterdam Payne's Gray, and I'm just making a mess. I'm squirting it out. I'm don't have much of a plan. I'm just going with it, throwing some paints down and getting messy. So let me throw some music on and let's just rock with it. Well, there's not much point to do a flyover wet look, although you can see a little bit of the colors coming in here. But you really won't see them until they dry. But these wiggly lines are caused from all the hard work it took to get it to the edge. Next time I need to definitely add more paint before I get started. But let's check out the dry look. It's gorgeous. Those pearls, they really glow when that light hits them just right. They're almost like dull in one way, and then when the light hits them and you hit them just right, it's like, wow, incredible. I love it. Now, should I turn this into a giant clock? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I love that. Those three colors are my favorite. And that turned out amazing. I absolutely love getting the opportunity to create for you every week. And this week, as a matter of fact, tomorrow is Thanksgiving here in the U.S. Happy Thanksgiving to all. I am thankful for each and every one of you. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, leave a comment, and check to see if you've subscribed yet. Thank you for watching the Creative Art Collective, brought to you every Wednesday by the amazing Taslima Maya Art, who is up just before me. And then there's me, Let's Pour with Patty, followed by Casey of CWV Artistry. And Sheldon of Sheldon Briscoe Art is still taking a break. We miss you, Sheldon. But thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating. Bye.